Rainy mornings, they got their own kind of magic. Everything slows down, and somewhere between the raindrops, a new story begins. Today, we're driving north to Nueva Ecija for my niece's birthday. It's a simple family trip, but sometimes even the simplest drives lead to the best stories. I thought it just was another family trip until I found something special parked in my uncle's garage.
So na-pick up na natin si Mrs. no? May isa pa tayong pick upin. Punta muna tayong Tondo. So, pick upin natin ang ating lola. Let's go! Grabe ka naman, Yorme. Sobrang liwanag ng tulay. Anong ginawa mo dito? Pag magaling yung mga mayor nyo, yung imposible nagiging posible, no? So dati sobrang dilim dito, no? Parang taming holdapper. Grabe liwanag hanggang sa dulo. Basta pagpasok mo ng Manila, maliwanag na. Yung sa Makati, dilim.
I'm driving my 2007 Honda Civic. I bought it a few months ago. It's not brand new, but it feels special. Every drive feels like a moment of peace. Just me, the engine, and the open road.
So yun, no? Dito na tayo sa Nueva Ecija, no? 6:45 na ng umaga. Ayan. So sabi ni nanay, gusto ni nanay bumili ng bumili ng chicharon. Ayan, so bili muna tayong chicharon. Tara, bili tayo. Tatlo for 100. Ito
bago lang po yan.
1.
Yung malaki po, sandaan.
We're here. Hi guys, so nandito na tayo sa ating pupuntahan, no? May birthdayan kasi dito sa kabinyag ng aking pamangkin. So may nakita ako ditong LC. Hindi ko lang alam kung anong Land Cruiser to, no? Pero ang ganda. Eto. Ayan, single cab lang, no? Silipin natin mamaya pag tila ng ulan. O, Tito Jess, kaway ka sa aking vlog. Kaway ka. Ayan, si Tito Jess yung gumagawa ng mga Land Cruiser dito, no? May isa pa siyang project nandito. Ayan, kung makikita nyo yan, no? Yan, saka yung blue. Tito Jess, malapit na ba matapos yan? Ano na lang kulang dyan? Mukhang marami. Pintura na lang. Pero may makina na yan, no? Ayan, nakamag. Ang pogi. Ayan, may palitsyon pala dito. Oh, kaway muna kayo. Uy, kaway ka naman. Batiin mo yung mga taga-Sapang Buho. Uy!
May pala dito eh.
Ayan. So, siya din yung nagpipintura, si Tito Jesse din. Siya din nagbubuo. Ah, ito. Nandito pala yung makina. Ayan. Hindi ko alam kung ano makina niyan. So, ayan, no. Pintura na lang pala kulang yan. Mabubuo na. Hintayin natin sa kalsada yan. So sabi ng aking tito, Land Cruiser 75 series, 1993 model daw yan. Oh, 1993 model, tama.
When we arrived, this instantly caught my eye. A restored 75 series Land Cruiser. You don't see many of these around anymore, especially in this condition. This one, built tough, boxy, old school, but timeless. Interior keeps that classic utility look. Simple, durable, and made to last. Seeing something like this makes you appreciate how cars used to be built. Simple, strong, and made to last a lifetime. Just like people, they age, they wear out, but when cared for, they can be reborn, stronger, more meaningful than before. Every trip tells a story, and this one ends with a classic. Thanks for watching. See you in the next drive.